Tucked away within mountainous forests, in the Outaouais region of Quebec, Canada, Val-des-Monts Boathouse is a modern lake house that has an uninterrupted water view. The home has been designed with materials that draw connections to the surrounding site, like the wood siding used on the exterior of the house. To create optimal views that emphasize the surrounding landscape, the location of the home was intentionally placed, with each level of the home providing a different viewpoint. The interior of the home maintains a contemporary design, using natural lighting from the large windows to showcase the raw materials, like wood, that complement the surrounding trees. A custom-designed window bench with upholstered cushions lines the corner window, making it the ideal place to relax and look out to the water. In the kitchen, simple white cabinetry has been paired with a gray tile backsplash and an island with both wood and black accents. The windows frame the tree and water views and provide views of the sunset and the seasons changing. Stairs with wood treads lead to the upper floor of the home. Tree views and artwork break up the white walls.